So I have found the culprit to the lounge.
So just got the keys to our new place. It's going to be a massive renovation project. It needs new drains, going to need a new garage, new kitchen, new bathroom, new floors, new carpets, walls coming down. There's loads of damp, there's loads of mold, so I have to sort it all out. Yeah, I'll give you a quick tour. So this is the lounge dining area. Got that's appeared, so that'll be a leak on the chimney. A bit of mold. Got some more mold and stuff up there. This I thought as well would be plaster, but this is solid, so it's going to be job to get down, whether it's supporting up there as well. Then we've got a lovely bit of mould in this back bedroom as well. That needs to get sorted out, a bit of mould in there. And then we've got a lovely bit of mould in the back of here. There's a lot of black mould there, so needs a bit of ventilation on that. Nice sized bathroom. So we'll obviously be getting this sorted out as well. Kitchen area. And then we've got a massive workshop out the back here, which is awesome. Get that as well. So really excited to get stuck into this project. It's a massive project, loads of work to do. I'm going to film most of it on my phone because I don't have time to film it properly and do all the editing, full-time work and all the other stuff that's going on with life. So just film on the phone mostly for shorts, but yeah, we get really stuck in. There's so much to do, so it's going to take a long time. The house needs so much work doing. So let's just see how it goes. Next job is we can't find the light switch for the loft, and inside all the loft, underneath all this is wet, and some of the timbers look like they're really damp, got mould, potentially rotting. It needs ventilation in there, and obviously chimney breast is leaking. So yeah, it's other things we didn't realise. So sort that out as well. So managed to get the boiler to work. I think the gas had 2 valves, so I'd only turn one on. There was another hidden one, so I think it should be working now. Started taking off some of the wallpaper, and it all seems pretty good underneath, which is nice. I mean, that bit's not that great. That bit over there is obviously not good. That is a leak. There's definitely a leak on the chimney, which has appeared since we looked, so which is a bit frustrating. And all the rest, again, we've taken a bit off here, seems okay. So a lot of it just seems to be mould on the actual wallpaper, which is fine. It's just a bit of damp, ventilation. There you go. Fire's drawing. So we know that that's obviously drawing through fine, which is good. But yeah, obviously you sort that leak out. And yeah, still haven't figured out how to turn the lights on in the loft. I don't know where that light switch is. Old houses like this, they are just, don't know. Boiler's still running, which is good. It's not back up degrees, so hopefully the heating will actually start working out, which is good. Get a bit of warmth through the house, a bit of ventilation, which is great. Which is cool. Obviously going through into the workshop, the main thing. Got the sick workshop here, which is great, 6 by 7 meters, and then we have got a lean-to here, which is going to build a new garage again, which would be pretty cool. So pretty awesome. So managed to get the lights working in the loft, and yeah, this side of the roof all seems to be fine, which has got a different type of felt on it. This side has got that felt, which looks kind of rubbery, and all the back of the joist is soaking wet. So if anyone's got any advice on that, don't know what's going on there. And then found a leak in the chimney as well. So I have found the culprit to the lounge. And as you can see, there is nothing up there. So I don't understand why that is absolutely sopping wet. There's like a pool of water there. It's absolutely soaking down there. Don't know what's going on with that. So yeah, there's obviously something causing that huge amount of water, but I can't see anything up here that would be causing it. Looking up here, there's absolutely no evidence of any leaks whatsoever. So yeah, I've got no idea what is causing that. A huge amount of water there. It's obviously leaked through and it's making this timber soaking wet, which is just this spot. So there must be a leak here somewhere. So the renovation has come to a stop. So you have to entertain. Here we are in the room, making progress on the mouldy wall. That's pretty mouldy. A lot of the mould is just on the old wallpaper. So that's beautiful. But yeah, I got this, getting this covered out. Very, very solidly built, as you can see. So I'm taking down the last bit of the shelves, and look at the size of that bolt. Someone did not want the shelf coming down. That is ridiculous. The length of that going into a beam above. That is crazy. Don't build them like that anymore.